If you need to see which controllers are currently connected to your Nintendo Switch, then you're in the right place. Here's a quick guide to check all paired and active controllers. Let's get into it. From your Nintendo Switch home screen, press the home button on your controller. This brings you to the main menu. On the bottom row of icons, select the one that looks like a Joy-Con. It's labeled Controllers. Press A to open it. You'll now see a screen showing all the controllers that are currently connected. Each controller is shown with battery levels and a visual layout. Left Joy-Con, right Joy-Con, Pro Controller, etc. If a controller is connected wirelessly, it'll show a signal and battery icon. You can also tell how each controller is being used, for example as a pair or as an individual Joy-Cons. And that's all there is to it. That's how you can check your connected controllers on the Nintendo Switch. If this video helps you out, then hit that like button and subscribe for more quick Switch tips. Thanks so much for watching. I'll see you in the next video. Until then, stay tuned and take care.